Okay, watch the paper. Go. Magic wand. Everybody say magic wand. I only need the color to what?
Michelle.
What's happening to my wand? I don't need a lot. I only need how many wands? I only need one. Alright, so we don't need a lot. And we don't know. What? What's happening to my wand? Oh my God! Something is wrong with the wand. Oh, what's happening to the wand? Oh, what's happening? The magic wand. We only need the color to what? The blue. What? Oh my God. We don't need a lot of wands. Again, different colors. We don't need animal. Alright, I hid this so that the guard will not see this, so that I can bring it inside, so that you can see animals. They didn't allow me to bring animals with me. I hid it under the bags. Everybody say magic animals. There you go. Just a puppet. Just a puppet. Is that?